Hey, welcome back, guys. We are in Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud Revealed, Chapter 2, and we're working on getting more familiar with some of the Photoshop basics. In this exercise, we're going to work with the Navigator panel. And so we're going to go here, first using the Zoom tool. We're going to click the Indicates Layer Visibility button on the Layers panel for the rings layer, so the layer is no longer visible. I've already done that. And then we're going to get the Zoom tool on the Tools panel. This is the Zoom tool. And if you'll note, the Z is the quick key to access the Zoom tool. So I hit Z. And you can also change the magnification level by double-clicking the Zoom level text box at the bottom left corner of your document. I don't have to double-click, I just click, thankfully. And you can manually enter a zoom level here as well. We're going to click the Resize Windows to Fit checkbox if it's not already selected, which mine is. We're going to position the zoom pointer over the center of the image. I'm going to go back out so I can actually follow their instructions. And then we're going to click the image. Position the pointer over the part of the image you want to keep in view. If you press Alt if you're on a Windows, or Option if you're on a Mac, then where the zoom out pointer appears, click the center of the image and you'll see this is the zoom out rather than zoom in. Click it twice with the zoom out pointer. All right, something else that's kind of nice, if you have the zoom and you just click and hold, it's got an automatic zoom until you let go of your mouse. Okay, so I'm going to do a Command or Control 0 to bring my image back to about 100%. And we're going to take a look at modifying the print settings on this. So we're going to go to File on the menu bar. We're going to click Print, and that will open the Print dialog box. And if you don't have a selected printer, using the Print Center, a warning box might appear. This is relevant, not relative to that, but relevant to color management. Make sure that we're going to back up here and read the instructions. Click the Print Paper and Landscape Orientation button, and this would be Landscape Orientation. Make sure that 1 appears in the Copies box, which it does. And normally we would click Print at this point, but I'm not going to because I don't want to print this. And you'll see that you can use the handle surrounding the image preview in the Print dialog box to scale the print size. Well, it looks a little spooky. All right, and we're going to Command or Control S to save your work. And then we're going to create a proof setup. All right, at this juncture we are going to open Bridge, and so you can open it a couple of different ways. You can go here to Browse in Bridge, or you can go to your Activate software, and I see Bridge right here, but if you don't see it, you can always type in and it will bring it up almost immediately. And we're going to open up Bridge. We're going to click Output on the Bridge Workspace switcher. All right, sorry to have kept you waiting. I've been looking for the output switcher, which is the next step in the process that they've asked us to take. And then I read down a ways here, and maybe you've already ahead of me, but this is creating a PDF with Bridge requires the installation of the Adobe Output module. If you don't see an output as a workspace option by clicking the workspace list, which I didn't, and probably you didn't either, unless the here are the workplaces and or workspaces, and these are where we could switch to if we wanted to, and you'll see that output was not one of the options there. So since that being the case, and I'm not going to download this other output module that they're talking about, I'm going to see if we can figure out a workaround for creating a PDF in Bridge. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, guys, I'm going to close out now, but before I did want to show you where you would go if you're on your home computer and wanted to install that output module that we were just talking about a second ago. If you'll go to adobe.com Bridge, you can just search for, which is what I did, for Adobe Output Module download. And evidently when Bridge Creative Cloud shipped, it didn't include this output module. And it does, the one thing that I kind of liked about it was that it does allow you to create these PDF presentations and web galleries from Bridge, which is if you're a photographer or even as a designer, but most often as a photographer, that might be quite helpful for you. So go to this website or do that search, and this will give you the information as to how to download the information. I'm going to do this real quickly to show you that it's probably relatively easy. All right, so there it is for the Mac. And let's just go down here for a minute. To the Bridge CC extensions folder in the appropriate location. So we're going to want to go to Library, Application Support, Adobe Bridge, CC Extensions. Okay, I think we need to go up here to see if this is the one I want. Nope. All right, rather than you sitting here watching me fumble through this, I'm going to let you go. But again, if you're a photographer and you need help with this, let me know and I'll do another demo after I have this downloaded so we can take a look at those packages. If not, I don't require this part of the skills review if it's required in the skills review. So again, thanks for bearing with me here, and I will see you when we discuss Chapter 3.